Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. When we reach for a bag of potato chips, we often think of the satisfying crunch and the burst of flavor that follows. It's a simple pleasure, a small indulgence that many of us enjoy without a second thought. The last thing on our minds is the potential health risk. We trust that the food we buy is safe to eat, especially when it comes from well-known brands like LA's. Unfortunately, a recent recall of LA's classic potato chips has brought to light a serious concern: undeclared allergens. This issue has raised alarms among consumers and health officials alike. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has issued a Class 1 recall, the highest level of urgency, for specific bags of these popular snacks due to the presence of an undeclared milk allergen. This type of recall is reserved for situations where there is a reasonable probability that the use of the product will cause serious health consequences or death. This recall serves as a stark reminder of the importance of food safety and the critical role that recalls play in protecting public health. It underscores the need for rigorous quality control measures and accurate labeling practices in the food industry. The recall, which affects thousands of bags distributed in Oregon and Washington, has sent ripples of concern through consumers who rely on accurate food labeling. Many people are now more vigilant, checking labels more carefully, and questioning the safety of their favorite snacks. For individuals with milk allergies, even trace amounts of milk protein can trigger severe and potentially life-threatening reactions. Symptoms can range from mild hives and stomach cramps to anaphylaxis, a severe reaction that can cause difficulty breathing, a drop in blood pressure, and even death if not treated promptly. The recall has prompted many to reflect on the hidden dangers that can lurk in everyday foods. It has also highlighted the importance of having emergency medications like EpiPens readily available for those with severe allergies. As consumers, we must remain vigilant and informed. By staying aware of recalls and understanding the potential risks associated with food allergens, we can better protect ourselves and our loved ones. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of food safety and the need for constant vigilance in our daily lives. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The recall specifically targets 13-ounce bags of LA's classic potato chips. To determine if you have purchased a bag from the affected batch, it's crucial to check for the following identifying information. Look for bags with a guaranteed fresh date of February 11th. Check the bottom of the bag for manufacturing codes, beginning with 6462307XX or 6463307XX. If you find that you have purchased a bag of LA's classic potato chips matching this description, it's imperative to discontinue consumption immediately, especially if anyone in your household has a milk allergy.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Milk allergy is one of the most common food allergies, particularly among children. It is estimated that about 2 to 3% of children under the age of 3 are affected by this condition. Unlike lactose intolerance, which is a digestive issue, a milk allergy involves the immune system. This means that the body's defense mechanism mistakenly identifies milk proteins as harmful invaders and mounts an attack against them. It occurs when the body's immune system overreacts to the protein found in cow's milk. The two main proteins in cow's milk that can cause an allergic reaction are casein, which is found in the solid part of milk, and whey, which is found in the liquid part. When a person with a milk allergy consumes these proteins, their immune system releases chemicals like histamine to protect the body. Even small amounts of milk protein can trigger a cascade of allergic reactions, ranging from mild to life-threatening. This is why it is crucial for individuals with a milk allergy to avoid all forms of milk and milk products. Cross-contamination can also be a significant risk, as even trace amounts of milk protein can cause a reaction. Symptoms of a milk allergy can manifest within minutes or up to a few hours after consuming milk products. The timing and severity of symptoms can vary widely from person to person. Some individuals may experience immediate reactions, while others may have delayed symptoms. These symptoms can include hives, itching, or eczema, which are all skin-related reactions. Skin symptoms are often the first sign of an allergic reaction and can be very uncomfortable for the affected individual. Other symptoms can affect the gastrointestinal system, such as nausea, vomiting, or stomach cramps, diarrhea, wheezing, or difficulty breathing. Respiratory symptoms can be particularly dangerous and may require immediate medical attention. Swelling of the lips, tongue, or throat can also occur, leading to difficulty in swallowing or breathing. Dizziness or lightheadedness can be a sign of a more severe reaction and should not be ignored. In the most severe cases, anaphylaxis can occur. This is a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction that requires immediate medical intervention. Anaphylaxis can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure, loss of consciousness, and can be fatal if not treated promptly with an epinephrine injection, commonly known as an EpiPen.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The recall affects a significant number of LA's classic potato chip bags, approximately 6,344 in total. These bags were distributed to retail stores throughout Oregon and Washington. While the number of affected bags might seem small compared to the vast scale of LA's production, it's essential to remember that even one bag containing an undeclared allergen poses a serious health risk to individuals with milk allergies. The FDA is working closely with Frito to ensure the prompt removal of all affected products from store shelves and to alert consumers about the recall.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5, Frito takes action, the company's response.
Frito-Lay, the manufacturer of LA's potato chips, has taken swift action in response to the discovery of the undeclared milk allergen.
The company voluntarily initiated the recall after a customer reported the issue, demonstrating their commitment to consumer safety.
They have also been proactive in cooperating with the FDA's investigation and in disseminating information about the recall to the public.
Frito has stated that no allergic reactions related to this specific recall have been reported to date.
However, they urge consumers to remain vigilant and to check their pantries for any affected products.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 6. A growing concern, undeclared allergens on the rise. In recent years, the issue of undeclared allergens in food products has become a significant concern for both consumers and regulatory bodies. The rise in food allergies and sensitivities has made it more critical than ever for accurate labeling and stringent quality control measures to be in place. This recent recall of LA's classic potato chips is not an isolated incident. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking in everyday food items. Consumers trust that the products they purchase are safe and accurately labeled, but this trust is being eroded by frequent recalls. In January 2025 alone, there have been several other recalls due to undeclared allergens, including granola bars, pancake mix, and even barbecue sauces. These incidents are not just numbers, they represent real risks to individuals with severe allergies, who rely on accurate labeling to avoid potentially life-threatening reactions. This concerning trend highlights the importance of food manufacturers implementing rigorous allergen control measures throughout their production processes. From sourcing ingredients to the final packaging, every step must be scrutinized to ensure that cross-contamination is minimized and that all allergens are properly declared on labels. The FDA is taking steps to address this issue, such as increasing inspections of food manufacturing facilities and strengthening labeling regulations. These measures are designed to hold manufacturers accountable and to protect consumers from the hidden dangers of undeclared allergens. However, the effectiveness of these regulations depends on strict enforcement and the cooperation of food producers. However, consumers also play a vital role in protecting themselves and their families from the risks of undeclared allergens. By staying informed, reading labels carefully, and being aware of recent recalls, consumers can make safer choices. Additionally, advocacy for better labeling practices and supporting brands that prioritize allergen safety can drive industry-wide improvements. The combined efforts of regulatory bodies, manufacturers, and consumers are essential in addressing this growing concern and ensuring that food products are safe for everyone.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 7. What you need to do. Guidance for consumers. If you have purchased a bag of LA's classic potato chips that matches the recall information, the FDA recommends taking the following steps.
Do not consume the product. Discard the product immediately in a sealed container to prevent accidental consumption. If you have a milk allergy and have consumed the product, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Contact Frito directly for a full refund or replacement product.
By following these simple steps, you can help protect yourself and others from the potential dangers of undeclared allergens. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 8. The FDA's role ensuring food safety. The FDA plays a critical role in protecting public health by ensuring the safety and proper labeling of our food supply. They set standards for food safety, conduct inspections of food manufacturing facilities, and have the authority to issue recalls when products are found to be adulterated or misbranded. The FDA's Class 1 recall designation for the Lay's classic potato chips underscores the seriousness of the situation and the potential for severe health consequences. This recall serves as a reminder that food safety is a shared responsibility between manufacturers, regulators, and consumers. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 9. Conclusion: Staying informed and safe. The recent recall of Lay's classic potato chips, due to an undeclared milk allergen, highlights the importance of staying informed about food safety issues. Reading product labels carefully, being aware of potential allergens, and understanding how to respond to food recalls are essential steps in protecting ourselves and our families. By working together, we can help ensure that the food we eat is safe and that potential risks are identified and addressed promptly. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.